started?
Yep.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out the handle for the toolbox.
Mm-hmm.
First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mark, I'm going to set the tool to 1/2 inch.
Can I see?
I'm going to mark 1/2 inch. Spin it around, mark 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to turn it sideways and mark 1/2 inch. And then I'm going to turn it the other way and I'm going to mark 1/2 inch. Okay. Scratch all this out. Half an inch.
You need a number license.
Half an inch. From that 1/2 inch mark, I need to mark I'm going to set this to 1 1/4, or it'll actually be 1 3/4 because I'm going 1 1/4 past my 1/2 inch mark.
Mm-hmm.
Do that on this side. And I'm going to do it on both sides here.